Ever wondered what it costs to own a sports car? Well, let's break down the cost of this Porsche Carrera 4S. And I'll tell you why it is the greatest sports car. A purchase price of $1,095,000 on an installment of 72 months, no deposit and 10% interest, that'll be $20,286. But that is not all of the costs that you need to be made aware of. A full set of tires will set you back roughly 30,000 Rand.
And the annual maintenance about 19,296.
Insurance will set you back about 2,200 Rand a month, bringing our total to about 26,653 Rand a month.
Bringing our annual cost to own this car to 319,836 Rand.
But really, does any of that matter when we're talking about the greatest sports car? It's powered by a 3.8 liter flat 6 engine that puts out 283 kilowatts and 420 newton meters of torque, capable of a 0 to 100 in just 4.3 seconds. The PDK transmission is lightning fast and smooth. And of course, it's all-wheel drive, so you can really push it to the limits. And what makes the 911 truly special is it's not just a weekend toy. It's comfortable enough for your daily driving and practical enough for those long road trips. It's also one of the most reliable sports cars that you can own. Great value and unmatched performance. The Porsche 911 Carrera 4S really is the perfect all-round sports car and makes that crazy cost monthly absolutely worth it. Let me know if you agree or disagree down below. A massive thank you to the guys at Toys Auto House. If you're interested in the Porsche or some of the other crazy stuff, check the link in the description below.